Welcome to Philadelphia, a city where the echoes of history whisper through cobblestone streets, and every corner tells a story of courage, freedom, and dreams yet to be discovered. From the first spark of independence to the vibrant pulse of today's culture, join us on a journey through time, as we uncover the hidden magic and enduring spirit of Philly. Listen closely, and you can hear the whispers of the past ringing through the air in Philadelphia. Here stands the Liberty Bell, weathered and cracked, yet resonating with the enduring spirit of freedom. Imagine the hands that once touched it, the hopes and fears of a fledgling nation echoing in its hollow chime. Just a short walk away rises Independence Hall, a timeless witness to history. Within these walls, the Declaration of Independence was debated and signed, shaping a new world from the courage and conviction of those who dared to dream. As you wander through these sacred halls, feel the weight of centuries, the invisible threads connecting past to present, and the stories of those who fought for liberty, courage, and the promise of a better tomorrow. Step into Philadelphia's old city, where time seems to slow and every cobblestone whispers secrets of centuries past. Imagine the soft footsteps of revolutionaries, artisans, and dreamers echoing along these streets. The Betsy Ross House stands quietly, holding the tale of a woman whose needle stitched a symbol that would inspire a nation. Nearby, the spires of Christ Church rise toward the sky, where prayers and hopes of generations linger in the air like a gentle mist. Murals and hidden corners reveal stories both celebrated and forgotten, waiting for curious travelers to uncover their mysteries. As you wander through this historic tapestry, let your imagination weave together the lives and voices that shaped the city, feeling the pulse of a past that still resonates in every brick and shadow. As the streets of Philadelphia come alive, the city reveals another kind of magic, one that tantalizes the senses and tells its story through flavor and sound. Step into Reading Terminal Market, where the air is rich with the scent of freshly baked bread, sizzling delicacies, and the hum of voices sharing tales over steaming cups of coffee. Here, every bite of a legendary Philly cheesesteak carries the essence of the city, a savory reminder of its working-class roots and enduring spirit. Wander past vibrant murals and watch street performers weave music, dance, and laughter into the rhythm of daily life. In every corner, Philadelphia's culture pulses with energy, history, and creativity, inviting you not just to observe, but to taste, hear, and feel the heartbeat of this remarkable city. Philadelphia is a city where imagination and innovation converge, where art and science dance together across centuries. Ascend the iconic rocky steps at the Philadelphia Museum of Art, feeling the thrill of countless footsteps before you, each stride a testament to determination, courage, and the human spirit. Inside, masterpieces whisper secrets of creativity, each brushstroke and sculpture a bridge between the past and the endless possibilities of today. Then, journey to the Franklin Institute, where science comes alive in hands-on exhibits, sparking curiosity and wonder at every turn. Here, the city invites you to explore, to dream, and to connect with the boundless creativity that flows through Philadelphia's very veins, a place where learning is an adventure and inspiration waits around every corner. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and discover the hidden heart of Philadelphia, where every street and alleyway holds a secret waiting to be unveiled. Stroll through the colorful stalls of the Italian market, where the scents of fresh herbs, baked bread, and rich cheeses tell stories of generations who built their lives here. Pause along the banks of Spruce Street Harbor Park, where the gentle sway of hammocks and the soft shimmer of lights over the water invite reflection and quiet wonder. Wander through neighborhoods painted with vibrant murals, each one a silent storyteller, celebrating the city's art, history, and spirit. In these tucked-away corners, Philadelphia reveals itself not just as a place to visit, but as a living tapestry of community, creativity, and hidden magic, beckoning you to explore, linger, and let your curiosity lead the way. As you journey through Philadelphia, let these secrets of the city guide your steps. The streets themselves tell their own stories, best explored on foot, where every cobblestone and corner reveals hidden histories. Public transport weaves you effortlessly from one landmark to the next, while maps and quiet alleys hint at discoveries off the beaten path. Visit during the gentle light of morning or the calm of early evening, when the city breathes and the echoes of the past are most alive. Comfortable shoes will carry you through bustling markets, historic halls, and peaceful parks, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the pulse of Philadelphia. With each thoughtful step, you become part of the city's story, experiencing not just its sights, but the heartbeat, rhythm, and soul that make Philly unforgettable. As the sun dips behind the skyline, casting golden light over the rivers and streets of Philadelphia, the city whispers its timeless stories once more. Every corner, every monument, every hidden alley has shared its secrets, and yet there is always more to discover. Let the spirit of Philly linger with you, the courage of its past, the creativity of its present, and the promise of adventures yet to come. Join us in uncovering the magic of every city, every street, and every story waiting to be told. Subscribe to Coast Quest Travel Stories and continue your journey through the heart of history and wonder.